I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to Google Slide. Now, this process is pretty easy, and I'm going to show you step by step all the different ways you can do this. I have a blank slide open here in my Google Slides presentation, and the first thing I want to do is find the actual GIF that I want to add into my presentation. So I'm just going to go into Google and just go and find the GIF. I'm just going to Google for GIFs and go into the images section and just kind of scroll through and you know what, this looks like a funny one. So there are a couple different ways we can go ahead and add this in. So the very first way is what we can actually do is go ahead and right click on the picture, and we can click where it says copy image address, and then we can go back to our presentation, and here we can go to insert right here, and we can insert image, and then we're going to click by URL. And then we can actually just paste in the link that we copied. And you can see it just popped up right here as a little preview. We can click insert, and it's going to take a second to load, and it will pop right in. And as you can see, our GIF is here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this and show you another way. What we can actually do is go back to the GIF that we want to add. We can right click and we can click save image as. We can go ahead and let's say we want to just save to our downloads folder, and we can name it GIF for slides and click save. And what we can then do is go back to the presentation, and we'll go to our downloads folder where the GIF downloaded to, and we can actually go ahead and just drag it right in, and you can see the exact same thing. The GIF pops up once again. And so as you can see, those are two pretty easy ways to go ahead and be able to add GIFs to Google Slides. Now, if you have any questions about this process, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And if this video did help you out, and if you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below.